Alrighty, hi guys, I'm Mijaelle. Welcome to my school, Musical Muse Development. I will be launching on Patreon at the beginning of June, end of May. So I will be giving away some free time to the first couple of people that sign up. For details, please check out the description below. But pre this, I am releasing some free hint and tips and free lessons, basically music lessons, and I will be launching music theory videos, arrangements of songs with tab, etc. and stuff like that for guitar, piano, and obviously singing too. So right now, let's get into singing. Okay, cool. What I'm going to take you through for singers is a whole little beginner series, like a how-to kit, I guess, to get you ready for professional training, right? So, the first thing we're going to learn about is diaphragmatic breathing. When we're babies, we actually naturally breathe from our bellies, and then as we get older, we start to breathe from our chest. So we've got to find a way to get back to those old relaxed days, right? If you're really young, preteen, you probably will find this not even a thing, okay? But let's just go for it anyway. Alrighty, so I want you to put your hands on your belly for me. And on an inhalation, on an in-breath, I want you to make your belly bigger. And then on an exhale, you're going to squeeze your belly as you push all the air out. Alright, so let's try this. We're going to breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Okay. If you're finding this difficult, don't stress. I will show you after all of these an exercise you can do to test yourself if you are doing it, and something that you can do really easily at home to make sure that you're getting it. Okay, so don't stress, just hang in there. Alright, so now the second phase of diaphragmatic breathing is to put your hands by your rib cage. So, you're going to be feeling the effect of your diaphragm filling up, basically spreading out, because your ribs are going to go sideways while your belly is expanding forward as well. The whole concept is to kind of breathe down, alright? For example, there's a thing called over-breathing, alright? I want you guys to all try this out for me. Breathe in like you've had a shock, alright? That's actually what singers do when they panic and they grab a lot of air because they've got to sing a high note or a long note, right? They go, and their shoulders tense up. Some of them even go, all right? If your shoulders tense or you tighten your chest like that, can you feel that? How tight this is. You have nowhere to go. You haven't got no length left in your breath. So there's no way you can hold a note for a long time. There's definitely no way that you're going to hold a stable high note, all right? Remember, breathing is all about using your belly and your core and having the rest of your body relaxed. All right. Even if your fists are tense, it's not going to be as easy. So keep this relaxed, shoulders relaxed, chest wide open. Now we're going to put our hands on the side here so you can feel your ribs expand sideways. All right. We're going to breathe in and out. And in. And out. One more time. Breathe in. And out. At the same time, your belly's getting bigger and your side's getting bigger as well. That kind of motion. Now, the last phase for diaphragmatic breathing is to check how your chest is working out, right? As I said earlier, your shoulders should be relaxed, chest open, so roll it back and be kind of at like a tension. Okay. That's the kind of pose that you should have always. When performing, feet should be hip width apart. Okay, this is like your standard singing pose, right? Your pelvic floor balanced, not leaning forward or leaning back. Think of it as a root system for a tree, right? Holding you stable. A little tuck in there as well. And then your core is going to be doing all the work. Think of your core as an escalator. When you get to your higher notes, you're going to be more tense in your belly just to support those high notes. And you're going to be more relaxed on your lower notes, right? That's just how the body works. The higher ones need just a little bit more tuck, okay? And then your diaphragm is obviously like the branches, and your lungs are the leaves of the trees, keeping it wide and open. So now for the last phase, I want you to put your hands on your chest for me. I'm going to inhale, keeping this pretty stable. Try to watch yourself in a mirror or ask a friend to put their hands on your shoulders to make sure you're not shrugging them. Okay, going to inhale and still do this motion. Belly out, this going sideways. And squeeze. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Very good. Okay, so basically, put on your favorite song, watch yourself in the mirror, right? A song that challenges you though, not like a really easy pub kind of crawling song, right? Something where you have to hold a long note or sing a high note, and check how your shoulders move, alright? Try to breathe from the ground up just to get some good practice going on with it as well. Alright, so let's say, there's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me. I've forgotten the lyrics. Damn! But, okay, that's the whole point. Keep your shoulders relaxed the whole time through there. Okay, so whatever you're singing, okay, let's sing something random off the top of my head, okay? Like, today I'm doing a singing lesson. There ain't nothing wrong, all is well. Can you feel the good times? So now, hopefully, if I've done it correctly, which I believe I did, my shoulders didn't move, right? It's all about belly action. Belly action or belly action. It's all about belly action. Okay. So that's diaphragmatic breathing.